Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this Peugeot 2008 in the Allure specification that we've just taken in part exchange. So this vehicle is free to tax. It features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. There's 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, rear parking sensors. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Bluetooth connectivity, there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and the car has cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 100 horsepower. It's done 28,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.